Alrighty, so today is day 33. Wait, what? Interesting. So we're just gonna keep chugging along. Where did we leave off yesterday? Actually, we can test this stuff. So, wait, first of all, can we make... Okay. So first let's fix this. Oh my gosh, can't type. So, where are we at? Actually, let me put that over here. So that is in create variable in AS block statement tree. Actually, I can leave it there. It's not like it really matters. Generate variable definition tree. I should probably yeah, let's create that real quick. Variable definitions. Void generate variable definition tree. Then we do file pointer, F pointer. So variable definition, I think, is just like the int whatever. Yeah, because it's not the assignment, therefore we don't do anything. Except we give it a label. Or we give it, yeah. But we don't need that because I put them in conjunction with the index of the part in the symbol table. So, yeah, we really don't need to do anything. So we can say, because register values are linked to the index of the variable in the symbol table. Work. Okay, but we do need to take this and put it in here. Variable definition tree. All right. So that's that, and that should fix this. Oops. Too few arguments. Right, because we need to pass in the F pointer. And then that should be good. Oh boy. What do we got? Generate function definition. Right. I didn't put tree at the end. Where is that? This is definition tree. All right. Clean. Make. Generate up expression tree. This doesn't exist yet. expression. Oops, not that. Right, because a lot of this won't exist yet. Oh, this is what I was working on.
Nothing much.
Alright, where was I? Alright. We can... Actually, let's just comment these out first. Wait. Oh no, that doesn't exist. I was about to say, that shouldn't exist. Oh, did I put the other thing? Yeah, I did. Oh, variable definition. That's not in here. That's part of definition in the parser, that's why. Loud pack is good for my center. Alright. Expression tree. Generate expression tree is right here. Did I? No. Oh, let me double check. I put it in here. Generates expression tree. Nope. Expression. Oh, right, because I didn't finish it. Oh, yo, guys. So, op expression. Where's the actual expression? There it is. Why don't we do things? Alright, getting close. So apparently I forgot a lot of stuff. Too few arguments and generates expression. What did I call that? And expression statement. Oh my gosh, there's more. This is generate statement tree. This is another one of the ones that should just have stuff that's not implemented yet. Yeah, there it is. I did read. Pretty sure. Is that it? Alright, so we're... Wait. Oh my gosh, clear. Make. So, this is... Yeah, in the same thing. No, where is that at? I have many reasons to if statements. Yep. No, I thought I started that. Statements. Maybe not. Oh, I can just grab through the project. I forgot I could do that. If we're the misfits. I just sit a bone and yo, my whole sound toxic. I'm on a blind list. Generates if else. Nope. It doesn't exist yet. Alright. Where are we at? Alright, cool. What do I have to test right now? In my pellicoat. You know, jet lag. The next time in Mexico, came back with an extra load. I don't think I finished the experiment. Well, technically I did, but not really. And nobody knows some high Pegasus. Actually, is there a specific thing in null statements? I didn't even check that. Alright, so let's do touch. No, actually, we could take, let's just say assignment.java, and then write this to doc/codegen Java examples, and then null statement Java. Nobody gets ahead like them all it is. Oops. Dude, my type is ass. And I hate to do this, but say yourself, bitch. If you don't like me, let me, you don't like yourself, bitch. These days, these be tweaking on me. We output it to Jasmine, and then it's null statement.class, and that will give us. Yeah, you just skip over. Okay, so I was right. Oops. All right, so let's start with, let's make your code gen test, or not that. Let's touch null statement .tc. These days, these tweak only. Int main. That should be valid for Toysy. Fashion, high fashion. Oh shoot. Wait, let's cheat a little bit. Does it show? RX? Maybe if I type something. Test. Oh wait, did I put that in the wrong place?
I did half the job.
Yeah, I didn't put it in test.
Let's go to the store, catch up fashion.
All right, back in. So, what was that? Right. Test. Oh, right. Here, that's where it should be. Oh, I already had some in there. What's in here? Oops. Move what's inside of code gen test into code generation test. Code gen tests. Yeah, there we go. Now we're good. So now we can make and then make run with the arguments. Verbose. Oh my gosh. That. Okay, there we go. Verbose tests slash code generation tests slash null statement dot tc. Yeah. Now it should have gave me oh wait, not that one. I wanted J. That's what I'm missing. We have to end this. Where is it? Yeah, we have to end the method and return out of this main function right here. So we can say no, it'll be program, and then when we generate program, we do all this, and then actually let me be smart here. And then we would say, so we then return out of this right, and then, oops. And then we dot end method content and dot end method. All right, so now let's try that again. Make clean, make cool. There we go. Yeah, we're good. Yeah, we don't need to do the line numbers. I think it'll make it easier not doing that. So, program. Okay, let's try something. Oops. Because I don't actually remember how to do this. So, QQ, we go down, hit O, tab, tested Q. Cool. Okay, so then we can say at Q. Oh, cool. At Q, at Q. Okay. So, yeah, this done. And then definition. So, what constitutes a definition? We can define variables and then test it that way. Why doesn't it open me inside of... Oh, because I called it... That's different behavior from before. Oh my gosh. Let's do, yeah, let's do it clean. And then I think it's tag bash / no, I don't remember. Bash header. I was close, kinda, not really. So it's bash / sh. No, that's not right. Oh, other way. Bang bash / sh, like that. Yeah. All right. So then we can say, let's just remove anything that starts with, or that ends with .j. What? Guess I have to do it this way. Oops. Did that not copy into the buffer? Space Y. There we go. But this will be .j. Required file not found. No, this is right. Cannot execute required file not found. I've never got this before. It's the OS file. Files have. Path name on now refers to something called, so it's not. To solve this, convert your DOS to a Unix type file. But how would it have dust? I don't think this is gonna work, but Okay. That I copied to ago.
That's honestly the hard part of it.
Yeah, that's exactly what I have. Hmm.
Wait, that one isn't acorns, isn't it? That one's in that like weird trunk.
Okay, what if we...
It's not acorns. That one's not it. It is a one-time screen. Once you grab that pocket watch.
And /sh. Yeah, let's do it this way, because I know that's working, so... Wherever the freaking money sign is. Find name wildcard.j. Go. I don't know why that worked. Maybe it was the endings, but I don't know why touch would create the endings like that. NT way. So null statements work. That wasn't hard. So definitions. Let's do. It's main. Oh wait, we're doing definitions now, so let's put something in here. All right. Oh, you know what? I might do this wrong. Hair is not empty. That just means we do that in the global scope. So for the variable definition tree, no, those would have gone in the symbol table, so it doesn't really matter. But we do need to change this because I didn't understand. Header variables. Therefore, we don't need to do anything here.
Yes! Yes! Someone texted me!
This is sway. Was I gonna? Bro, I lost it already. Oh. For what? So let's say I need to make the heat.
First of all, to make worse, the spot method. I know you're talking about.
Okay. Wait. Commit all. Push. Okay. Random side thing, but before I forgot that. So, and then let's do int b, int c. I don't know if you could do it per line like that. I'm pretty sure you can, but. Alright, so it's actually, I should have it somewhere. Dang! There it is. This should be, alright. Bro. There it is. Code generation test, and then definitions dot tc. No, it's right here. Stack is an arbitrary amount. Do here, and then yep, and we don't do anything. Reason being is because it links to the simple table. Function definition, this works too. But this works assuming that function is valid. All right. And reason being is that he said that we're supposed to, no, it has to, okay, he said it has to have a main, but he said that a function calls X credit. If I'm not doing it, which I don't know if I'm doing it, but if I'm not doing it, he theoretically should test it, but I need to ask him. So statements. Where are we at? Statements. What do I have implemented here? I have a null statement. Statements. I don't think I've done this yet. Yeah, this isn't done. Yep. That's just the inside of a function. Expressions. Did we do this? Oh, I didn't finish that. Yeah, okay. So let me put a note for myself. Okay. First one. Okay. So get the operator and select the needed thing. Right. And then you generate. Okay. I see. So here you would be like, okay, what do you do here? Okay, wait. Let's do an easy one first. Oh, I see. Expression could be a number. So we have the operation. And then, oh shit, bro. So I need the first part and the second part of the statement. Wait. Holy shit, this is breaking my brain right now. Okay, so we get the expression type, which is operation. It will be an operator expression tree, which means the left side of that be two expressions, and two expressions can be these things, but it'll be an int. Okay, how can we do this a smart way? Okay, so we can say fprintf. Let's do the easy ones first. Let me pull up. What is this? Yeah, how do the go-to labels work? Okay, so, oh boy, if this is a no. Okay. This whole block is for operator expressions. This one is just if the whole expression is a number. So if, I'm in the expression, so I can get the value of the expression. But we don't need to do that actually. So we could say I print this. This will be a string too. And then this, so, yeah. So we can say by push, let's put a space here. And then this will be operation number. And that'll give us basically this. And then we compare. I compare equals. Yeah, because if it equals 0, then you skip over the loop. If it doesn't, then you do not. Okay, so this is if we compare equals to oh wait, where's the one where I did a bunch of if statements? No, it wasn't this one. Was it a statement? Did I not do it here? Where the heck was I editing yesterday? Expressions? No. Operators, there it is. So if it is no, wait. We don't even need to evaluate this because at the end of the day you can't in Java. So you can just say if string compare so if string compare operation number and 0 yeah, it's a string. If it's 0, then f printf whatever the fuck you were gonna print. So with no label. Oh wait, I'm too high. This is just the if statement, so we will only have an if. Else, you literally do nothing.
I might as well just do my solo pistol.
Get the value, and then if it is not 0, go to the label. No, this doesn't go to label, this is go to the statement. So we So we get, no, this will have to be 2. Because this will be, how do you load? Yeah, so it's, we load the value onto stack, so it's I load underscore, and then the value is get symbol index, send table of the ID we are passed, which is operation ID. There we go. So we load it, and then we push 0 onto the stack. Oops. Can't do that. Actually, if it's just an ID, I can do the same exact thing as a number. Yeah, so not string compare. So this is going to be get ID, and then symbol. Is it find symbol? Yeah, there we go. Okay. Why is this? Oh, it's because I'm missing parentheses. Oh. No, wait, if it's not 0. Okay, yeah. Because if it's 0, then it'll compare. So if it's not 0, then we generate the statement tree. Oh. Okay. Oh, I'm forgetting the breaks. I can close these now. My tree just has an expression in it. Alright, let's make this a little bit easier again and say get minus expression Oh. Okay. So now that we have that, we can say, let's say get, yeah, if string compare, get minus expression, the minus tree is operation minus, and then we can say, wait. Ooh. Oh boy. What if instead, what if we say, I don't know if this is very efficient, but no, because you don't know what to return. Well, it all has to be int anyway, so. Oop. Okay. Wait, what the hell? That's annoying. Hey. So we have the operations ID. So simple as that. Oh. No. What we need to do is put it on the stacks because the value is held in the register. Okay, so we can say, we find the symbol, same as before, and then we operation ID, we find the symbol, and then given the symbol, we can find get symbol index of that symbol. Oh wait, I need to put symbol table in here. What is there? To parameter of what? The address of symbol table. That's what you wanted. And the ID, right? That's right. And it returns what? Symbol. Symbol table on a char. Oh. Oh, that's why I was doing get ID. Okay, I get it now. So then you do that, you get the index, and then you say, okay. Now we say %s, another %s. So we load from that register. Oh, why didn't it? Okay. Now what's this next one? Oh yeah, I was done with that. So we print iLoad, and then let's load a 0. I see. And it has to start with level 2. Okay. So we push a 0 on the stack. Right. Why is this giving me issues? Tell me. Missing, terminating. Oh. Okay. This isn't right either. F, print F. So then we say, hey, if this is equal, I compare equal, then we go to label we go to label.
That's your favorite song? Like, what are you talking about? Cool Bug Facts, I Can See You. Like, what are you talking about, dude? Like,
Okay. And that's because we want to skip over it. Else, or this, then we generate this. And then we say, oh yeah, this is our,
oh, we're pressing ones that we're scared to push. Alright,
we'll have label. Oh no, this label is just what the current label is. Then we say what the current one is, and then we say go to label
Lane collection.
oh, this actually has no space.
Real quick, is everybody labeled?
And then this is current label plus 1. Okay. Then, oh my gosh, this is long. Then we start no, it's the other way around. Because if you compare the two, that means it's not, we don't go through the loop. Wait, I'm confusing myself. Then we go to current label. No. Okay. We go to current label if, oh boy. What is label 2? Label 2 is the end. Why is this so short? I think this one's just the if. So. Well, it doesn't even matter because this is what I'm having issues with. Pair less than or equal to. So if it's wrong, they go to label 1. And that's our else. So this is if else. So, okay, let's think this through first. So label 1 is going to be else. No label is going to be if, and then label 2 is going to be finished, as in where you go after everything, because this has that, and then this will go to that by default. Okay. So if you compare, then you go to label. This is +1, right? And then this is where you print label. This is where you start label 1. Yeah, that's where you start label 1. Right, and then you generate statement tree, and this is else. Oh, they're not. Oh, this is just the if statement. Oh my gosh, I was doing the else. Okay, let me try that again. So we have no else, so this will be label 1. But if you have no label, then you go here anyway. So you don't need the go to at the end. So if you compare, then you go to current label. But you don't need this. Equal, go to the label, generate that. And there you go. That's it. It's a lot shorter. But this one, so how do we get this? Get the expression. We can generate that from this. The expression. Minus will just invert it. Okay, let's be smart and just test it. This is a smart way, because the problem with this is that this can have multiple things within it. It's an expression. An expression can also hold other expressions. So you get a minus, and then one of these. Wait a minute. Okay, so when we generate the expression, yeah, so that would just be okay. I could do this real quick, and they'll help me out with the other one. So we can do this.
Yeah, but we still need to go through the habit of confirming if there's one person. You say he's dead, that means that everyone is.
And then we would just put a -1 on the stack. I const. What is it? So this one? What? By push. -1. Okay, and then we can say we push -1 onto it and then we multiply. Did I multiply it? No, that was in expressions. I'm all. And then that'll give you the minus tree. Cool. So then we can come over here. And we can generate the minus tree. Oh, wait. I forgot to put that in the... Okay. And then here we can call generate minus tree. And it'll be operation. And then that pointer. And then we say printf oh, we need to push 0 first. Yeah. And we go to current label. Yeah, this is the exact same thing. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? It's current label plus plus. Okay.
Big Bargain detergent jug is 80% water, right?
80% water? I thought I was getting a better deal because it's so big.
If you want a better clean, Tide Pods are only 12% water. The rest is pure concentrated cleaning ingredients.
Ooh, pass me the intercom thingy.
Attention shoppers. If you want a real deal, try Tide Pods.
Don't pay for water, pay for clean. If it's gotta be clean, it's gotta be Tide Pods.
Water content based on the leading bargain liquid detergent.
Oops. Oh, you know what? Wrong place. Where we at? Where we at? Expressions. There we go. It took me forever to find. No. Oh, I actually have to go to it? That's lame. Output Jasmine and expressions.class. That's the remain. Oops. I didn't know that was. Where you know? This is the wrong one. Yeah, it was operators. Okay, what else? The Java part. So line 26, load, compare. Yeah, so this is just, you don't have to check for 0 if are equal and go to level. You're on me bad. I feel like it's not the best way to do this right now, but we'll see. Jasmine instructions. let's see. So we're going to just create this, but not like invert it in any way, because I don't think there is. And then just evaluate outside. We make all that. What if, what ifs? Just fly away for a minute. Love is a selfish kind. Did I not just do that? Wait, why is that here? Oh. Bro, it's right there. Oh. Not have a speller wrong though. There we go. So we generate that, and then no. You just compare if they're equal, because you already have expression in there. If they're equal though,
Because when I turned, you were just looking through your bag. I'm just asking a question. So, I don't answer private. What happened during the private? Because you kind of like.
yeah, okay. So you go here.
And this is Brianna.
A little thing we love about Chick-fil-A chicken strips are how satisfying they are. The chicken strips are amazing. They're always filling, tender and juicy. Definitely one of my
This hurts my brain.
Favorite thing is the last bite. The last bite is nice and juicy, and it's wrapped up in some crispy breading that keeps
That does need to be there because it's just minus.
my Chick-fil-A sauce with it. It's just
But it could be expression.
it's an undefeated combo.
Okay, I need to think about this more.
I also looked at your face and saw you were just lollygagging over there.
It's, yeah, I need to take a break.
Don't worry, I looked at your face. It's something like that.
And go over this logic because I'm missing something.
Yeah, you were so sad.
I keep getting stuck over and over again. Alright, what we got done today?
Dang, had to. Man, now I gotta
Get this.
put more dog tags mandatory. Dang. More dog tags. I got so many I don't know what to do with them.
Yeah, I'm just gonna keep it vague, just because I don't, I don't feel like going through that. But yeah, I do need to figure out a way to interact between the expressions and the like things that call the expression, because it's important in this. It's not the person where you can just keep going through. Further work on Alright. This is a good day though, if I don't say so myself.